Hey guys, this is a build that we're wrapping up here. It's a 2006 Jeep LJ, so that's the longer TJ. We just did a full suspension setup, everything kind of from the frame down. We ended up stretching the wheelbase about 6 inches back in the back of it and about an inch forward in the front. We're almost 110 inch wheelbase now. The front is relatively standard. It's a 3-link in the front with 12 inch travel, 2.5 inch coilovers. We are running hydraulic bump stops, sway bars. We have a Prorock Dana 60s front and rear high pinion with RCV shafts. We're running a 110 Y-link steering kit on it. In the back is where everything is kind of a lot different. We're running a trailing arm setup in the back. So we're running a 36 inch long lower trailing arm, and we have a 10 inch coilover in the back, a 12 inch bypass shock in the back, and a 2 inch hydraulic bump stop, sway bars, limit straps, everything. We're strapped in right now at about 18 inches of rear wheel travel, and along with this stretch, moving the axle back, we got Genrite blank corner guards and recut the fender well 6 inches farther back, and these are coupled with old AEV Highline fenders. So these are 37 inch tires. They look tiny on this thing, and it's only about 5 inches or 5.5 inches over stock currently. So on this Jeep, it has Dynatrac's Prorock 60s high pinions front and rear. With the triangulated 4-link suspension in the rear, we're going to have our upper links up above the differential, and I never like welding the cast or any of that stuff, so we generally end up building a truss. So in this, we span the entire width of the axle, building a truss that'll reinforce the whole housing, making it much stronger and giving us a very excellent place to tie in the upper link mounts for this triangulated 4-link. And this is fully streetable, drives great, and we're getting ready to head out to Hammers. Customer is going to take his first drive out there.